Oh, that's hot.
Oh, shit! Alright!
Let's do this.
Kiss it, Mike.
I'm going to kill you
Hey, yo, what the?
and then kill you again.
Oh, no!
I'll take your entire stock! Hallelujah! Holy shit!
Just kidding, man!
You son of a bitch!
The bitch! Shut your mouth!
I'm going to rape you!
Let's do this.
Shit! Okay.
Oh shit!
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Yeah, I guess that's that, motherfucker!
Oh, that's hot.
That was easy.
That would be your mother.
Whatever!
Oh, hell no!
Let's do this. Leroy!
Ever seen speedrun?
Yeah, I guess that's that, motherfucker!
Oh, that's hot.
Come on, motherfucker! Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Hey, fucker!
Oh, that's hot.
Get wrecked, bitch! Shit!
Yeah, I guess that's that, motherfucker!
Diabetes.
I'm so drunk I can barely see, but it helps me get through another day.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
How do you want to know? Okay.
Jerry, what took you so long?
I love you, man. And if you think you're better than me, you're looking for another thing. Gonna kill you and then keep killing you and I'll never, cause you're gonna be dead and I'm gonna kill you.